I guess I could do an intro now. Welcome back to the Flippin Automotive YouTube channel. Today, since I can't do a whole lot of anything because I can't barely stand right now because of my back, did get x-rays, working on that right now. Going to do just a simple video on installing a door glass in the S10 so we can get her watertight again. We will be going back through doing the finishing up the firewall, but I got to get my back right first because this is a little excessive. But today we're going to try to get this window installed so we can get things dried up, and hopefully by the time I start feeling a little bit better, we can get back onto this. We got grass that we need cut, we got mowers that need work, we got an engine that needs pulled out of the van, we got an S10 drag truck that needs built. Oh man, dude, we got some stuff to do. JC Whitney 877, no, that's JG Wentworth 877 cash now. Let's see her. Bought this thing off Amazon, I think. Not Amazon. Walmart? Regulator is riveted in. Under the speaker. There's a lot of noises out here.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
One of them is mowing and the other is playing with his motorcycle.
Gotcha. Just want the truck to stay dry.
Especially with hurricane season upon us.
Wait, isn't that supposed to be here this week, one of them?
There's a tropical disturbance in the Gulf.
Ain't nothing in.
That's got like an 80% chance of forming something. The fact that it's in the Gulf and still a disturbance, it shouldn't be anything to worry about.
Not for us. Come closer, door. It's easier to move the door than myself.
Yep.
At the current moment. So, bad thing is, it's Friday.
It is.
This is tomorrow's video.
Literally. Talk about...
Well, for some reason there's 3 of these lower balls right here.
Mm-hmm.
And usually there's only 2 that fit inside of the channel.
Oh.
We've got a white, a gray, this gray. Oh, this door has Bondo in it.
Oh. Good to know.
Towards the back. That's a weird fucking setup. But if I haven't... How am I supposed to get that glass on that? It's not gonna have that much slide. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
It's really the farthest apart, and then we get closer together. This one's there. I'm gonna have to take the fucking regulator off, which is riveted. I don't know where I rigged something. So it's supposed to be easy.
Yeah.
It's anything but. It's supposed to go in here. So I need a grinder.
Okay.
And electric. 4 rivets. My legs are tired. This is not supposed to be this much. Just want to get a window in.
Alright guys, today we'll at least be getting the window regulator out of this S10. Our window regulator out. Side glass we're trying to get back in to try to make everything sealed up. We still got some work to do over here on the firewall. But passenger door glass was busted out of this thing when we first got it. Before I got hurt, you can see I started working on it, grinding out the rivets to get the regulator out, and then I just couldn't anymore. And as I said, I was working on stuff before I got hurt and was trying to get some stuff recorded. I'll have to see if I can find those videos or whatnot, but let's see if we can get this regulator out. Now the rivet's done. So theoretically, if I have a couple tools here. See? Just the back side of a rivet. I'm not touching that though. Okay, this one's not gonna do it, is it? We did it! All four. Why is somebody calling me? Too far. Not far enough. Too far. There we go. All about that angle of the dangle. Let's go find some rivets. Hello. That was one. Had to throw a stud in this one up here so it would be held while I was trying to get other stuff into position. Now we got a window to the wall. Will it go to the wall? No. No, it will not. Okay, that side feels alright. Oh. Everything was good until that moment. Until that moment, it all wasn't. No. Please go back in. Yes. Barely, but yes. I have to still go back and grease this here in a minute because I don't have the front track in, but hopefully I just have a dry truck. There we go. Yeah, we still got some work to do on it, but at least I can now disconnect my grinder, set it aside with a rivet gun. It's 110. Glad I'm not working today. Well, not working at home at least. I guess I am working at home. I'm always working at home. But let's get some tape off this door. Finally, I told you guys we were making progress on her. It just, I'm sorry, it was definitely not how I had things planned. But
Ta-da!